In a world teeming with life, there exists a tiny creature that silently orchestrates the harmony of nature. Welcome to the mesmerizing realm of ants. Ants, the true architects of their domain, have evolved and adapted over millions of years to build intricate societies and shape the ecosystems they inhabit. Enter the ant colony, where tireless workers toil day and night to create their underground empire. But it's not just about their impressive engineering skills. Ants are also master foragers, employing ingenious strategies to secure food for their colonies. Meet the remarkable leafcutter ants, who exhibit an extraordinary relationship with the plant kingdom. They cut and transport leaves, not for food, but to cultivate their own underground fungus gardens. And it doesn't end there. Ants forge remarkable alliances with other creatures, forming mutually beneficial partnerships that shape entire ecosystems. Ants may be small in size, but their influence is immeasurable. Through their collective strength and unwavering determination, these incredible creatures remind us that even the tiniest beings can make a significant impact on the world around us.